Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a refreshing drink which you can give to your children during the summertime. In fact, adults can also have this unless you are having diabetes. So I'm using a overripe mango here because sometimes when you give the overripe mango to your children, they don't want to eat it. So this is the best way to utilize the overripe mango. So today I have taken 500 ml filtered water and I'm just adding the mango pieces inside. This is basically homemade mango soda which is good for our health because it's fermented and you will get the good bacteria and you don't need to add lots of ingredients. It's very simple. Just add mango, little ginger and sugar. I know some of you will be totally switched off if I add the sugar, but let me tell you, this sugar will be fermented. That means the good bacteria, they will consume the sugar and in return they will produce the carbon dioxide which will work as soda. Since mango in this season is really sweet, so I'm not going to use lots of sugar. I will be just adding 1 spoon sugar. And if some of you are thinking to add jaggery or honey, you can do that. But refined sugar is actually good for fermentation because yeast and bacteria, they love the refined sugar. It's easier for them to break down. So first I'm using the white mouth jar and I will leave it in the room temperature to ferment for 2 to 3 days. Today is the third day and you can see lots of bubbles and foam there. Right now the temperature is very hot in Singapore. The temperature varies from 33 to 38 degree and that's why the fermentation went very fast. And if you taste the mango, you can see the mango is not sweet at all. Which means yeast and bacteria have consumed all the sucrose from the mango and now they are looking for more sugar. So now I want to make it soda drink. So I'll be using a narrow mouth bottle and I will use 2 spoons sugar because in the drink there is no sugar left for yeast and bacteria to consume. So I will add 2 spoons sugar and then I will strain the mango drink and leave it in room temperature for another 2 days. If you are beginner, don't use the glass bottle, use the plastic bottle and don't forget to keep the cap tight. Also leave some space, don't add the liquid until the water is full, which I have not done here. So I will shake the bottle nicely and then I will leave it in room temperature for 2 more days and then I will put in refrigerator. You can start consume after 2 days, but if you keep in refrigerator, the fermentation will be slow. Also the liquid will not get spoiled and the flavor will be refreshing. So I have left in the fridge and I forgot about the drink. Today is the 7th day. I'm going to open. And I tasted already. I can see that it's not very sweet at all because the longer you keep, the sugar will break down and the drink will be less sweet and you will also have more soda impact. So this is the mango soda made at home. Enjoy your drink.